2002 R-Vision Condor Trail Lite Workhorse Motorhome for sale in Fort Lee, New Jersey 07024. Spread your wings and fly with this 2002 R-Vision Condor Trail Lite Workhorse Motorhome. This Class A motorhome is 33.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered gasoline engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has one slide out, one awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 5 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 37,000 miles, you can rest assured that this R-Vision will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2002 R-Vision Condor Trail Lite Workhorse Motorhome is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with a 3-burner cooktop, oven and microwave / convection oven refrigerator / freezer double kitchen SinkDinette with bench, seating television surround sound sofa sleeper chairs, large bathroom with shower and TubMaster queen size bed, full size storage closet / dresser custom chassis model P300 and so much more. This 2002 R-Vision Condor Trail Lite Workhorse Motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded R-Vision is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2002 R-Vision Condor Trail Lite Workhorse Motorhome.